Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll have a quick look at the IQOO Z1, which is a super affordable flagship alternative or flagship killer, depending which term you prefer, from Vivo. I bought this from Aliexpress for under $300 and it offers amazing specs to price ratio. So quick summary. This comes with Dimensity 1000 plus, dual 5G processor. You can see the 5G is enabled on this device. It also comes with 144 Hz display. Let's actually go ahead and enable that display. 144, and it comes also with NFC, which is not common for IQOO phones. So you can see that's why I have Google Pay here, so I can actually pay in Europe in stores with this NFC chip. Very decent performance, very quick unlock speeds typical of Vivo devices, and also a quite decent camera actually. So there is some photo samples. This has impressed me as one of the best IQOO camera qualities I have seen actually.